Hello you guys, it's Lauren. Welcome to my channel and thanks for taking the time out of your day to click on this Bath & Body Works candle review. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, as always, you know it, welcome on back. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you Dream from Bath & Body Works, part of their Spring 2021 collection. Again, I never know the names of their collections, so if you guys know, feel free to drop it in the comments. But this is part of like a darling kind of wraparound, bold word slash kind of quotations, I guess you could say, collection, verbiage collection, with the cute block letters. I love the packaging, the block letters with the verbiage, and then actually the peek through, you can kind of see the opaque leaves kind of on this wrap around. Not sure if it's showing on the screen, but it's like a very, very light pastel lavender. Very pretty, very perfect for spring. Love the packaging on this. There's a handful of other fragrances, I think 3 others with this bold kind of wording verbiage on them. This one, of course, is Linen Lavender. If you saw my most recent haul, this was one of the most recent candle orders I did from Bath & Body Works. I had purchased 3 different candles, one of them being the one that I'm reviewing for you today. And if you follow me on Instagram or have watched me for even a little bit of time, you probably will be surprised I've been posting more so on Instagram. You might not see it on YouTube, but I've kind of fallen in love with like clean, fresh scents. I never used to be like a laundry scent person, but there are some vendor wax creators out there that make really good like clean, fresh laundry blends, and I'm all about it. Some of them are blended with lavender. Some of them have like Gain and Snuggle, and I'm all about it. I love it. What I like about it is it blends really pretty with lavender scents, which is kind of one of my main spring fragrances. It also blends really nicely with some fruit fragrances or vanilla scents. So that led me to try earlier this season Linen and Lavender Wallflower. I like this vendor wax. I like these scents. Let me try the Wallflower. And I loved it. I really have enjoyed the Linen Lavender Wallflower. The one in front of us right now is actually my second one because I liked it so much. It just worked perfectly with my lavender scents and most any other fragrances I had going. So that's why I kind of pulled the trigger and grabbed this larger version, the candle version. Before I tell you my thoughts on this candle, let me read you the scent notes. I'll throw them up on the screen and then I'll discuss if this is a repurchase for me or not. The notes for Dream, which is Linen Lavender, include linen, sea salt lavender, and I believe it's fresh air or ocean air. What do I get from this candle? So first and foremost, I actually checked the scent notes on this, on the Wallflower, to make sure they weren't different than the scent notes on the candle, because you know how Bath & Body Works is. Sometimes they're a little tricky. I'm going to read this off camera for you. The notes for the Wallflower include crisp linen, lavender, sea salt, and burst of fresh air. So identical to that of the candle. But you guys, for whatever reason, this candle's a no-go. I don't know if it's because it's in a more concentrated form. To me, it just seems a little different than the Wallflower. The Wallflower, I get more of just straight linen and straight lavender, which is really, really pretty. Just like a nice clean scent mixed, like a fresh, clean laundry-ish scent mixed with lavender, which I really like. But for whatever reason, the candle I'm picking up, I don't know if the linen scent is a little bit different. I know linen and laundry have different scents, different vibes, different, fragrances. There is a difference between a linen scent versus like a laundry clean type scent. But for whatever reason, this candle, I'm really picking up not just the linen and not just the lavender. The lavender's not that strong in this. I'm getting like that fresh ozone-y air scent. It's almost like all 3 scents are kind of equal and they're all kind of meshing together. But what really jumps out to me that's kind of toned up too much is that clean air scent. If you're someone who likes like a fresh, open window, open breeze type scent and you tolerate lavender, I think you might like this scent just because the lavender's toned down quite a bit. You might really enjoy this. This is not a bad scent by any means, but I can't do it in a large candle. I didn't care for it. It's a bit too much. There's just something about it that just turns me off a little bit. There's a little bit of a sharpness to it that I don't care for. this one is definitely going to be returned and or exchanged the next time I get close to a Bath & Body Works. This is a no-go for me. And now I'm even on the fence about keeping the wallflower. I may wind up just exchanging out for a laundry day, which I think I like a little bit more than the linen lavender. I might swap it out for laundry day. The throw. So if you're interested and you do like these type of scents, the throw on this is pretty decent. I thought it would be stronger. The throw would have a little more of an impact. The scent isn't it's not the strongest scent Bath & Body Works comes out with by any means. I'd say it's more of a medium to moderate throwing candle, but it's there, it's noticeable. It was noticeable enough for me to not care for it. I have this going obviously in just a standard medium-sized living room, semi-open concept. The throw 1 to 10, 10 of course being the strongest. This was probably at like a 6. I want to say 5.5, but I'll give it like a 6, 6.5 for its kind of wafting power. Very pretty if you like clean air, open air type fragrances. Just a no-go for me. Before I sign off, let me show you. Again, see how pretty the packaging is? I do like this one. I do really like the labeling. No issues with the burn. You can tell that this is not my favorite candle. I let it go for about 2 hours the other day. This is only the second time I've lit it up just for filming. The wicks are shorter. I did trim these, okay? So I did trim these down to be a little bit shorter. It's not a super quick burner. It did do like little mini mushroom tops, but they weren't following in or super mushroom toppy, but you probably will have to trim the wicks on this one if you wind up getting this candle. So again, like I said, not the scent for me. Definitely gonna be returning this. Not sure what I'll exchange it out for, but if I wind up grabbing another candle, a new scent, I'll definitely wind up doing a review for you and posting that on Instagram. Before I sign off, one more thing I want to mention to you. I'm on Instagram. So if you're on there, come find me at life, LIFE _ WITH _L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, vendor wax, my vendor wax lovers. I have orders coming. I have a couple more orders coming. The bigger orders I'll probably haul on YouTube all at once, or I'll wind up doing Instagram hauls. So if you're on Instagram, come find me. You guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, an awesome weekend, awesome whatever time it is you're watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you later.